In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Word document black and white. This can be particularly useful if you're preparing documents for printing and want to save on ink or simply prefer a cleaner monochromatic look. First, you'll need to launch Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, go ahead and navigate to the document you wish to modify. Simply open it up so we can begin the process of converting it to black and white. With your document open, press Ctrl+A to select all the text. This ensures that every element is highlighted and ready for modification. Next, direct your attention to the Home tab located at the top of your Word application. Here you'll find a variety of options, but for our purposes, look for the font color icon, which often appears as an A with a colored line beneath it. Click on it and select the color black. By doing this, you've guaranteed that all the text in your document is set to black, removing any previous color variations. Now let's address any images that might be present in your document. If your document contains images that are currently in color but you wish to convert them to black and white, click on one of the images to select it. After doing so, navigate to the Picture Format tab, which will appear whenever an image is selected. Within this tab, find the color option and select either saturation, 0%, or grayscale. This will transform the image into shades of black, white, and gray. Repeat this step for each image throughout your document to maintain consistency. While we're on the topic of visuals, it's also a good practice to ensure your document's background is appropriately set. You'll want to make sure there isn't an accidental gray or other colored background that could affect the print. To do this, go to the Design tab at the top ribbon, select Page Color, and then choose No Color. This ensures your document background remains perfectly white. Finally, let's talk about saving and printing your monochrome masterpiece. If you'd like to save your document in its new black and white format, click on File, followed by Save As, and choose either Word or PDF format depending on your preference. On the other hand, if you're planning to print, head over to File, then Print. Here, you'll want to adjust the printer settings by choosing black and white or grayscale under the color options to make sure your document prints as intended. And there you have it, your Word document is now completely converted to black and white. Whether you're saving it or sending it off to your printer, you've successfully created a document that's both visually appealing and potentially more cost-effective. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.